What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today you can see from the screen that I got terminated. So I basically blew this account. I mean, we talked about that before. I basically brought this account right down to the maximum drawdown, and then they basically terminated my account. I'll show you what that looks like inside and what trades I took today that kind of hit me to the other side. And then after that, I actually opened another trading account, and then I want to actually get funded with that, just like I wanted to do with this one, but I'm trying a different prop firm to see if that gives me any different results, right? So let's actually take a look at the trades that I took today, what knocked me out, and then I actually entered 2 trades on that platform. I'll be more diligent and disciplined with that platform. With this one, it was like I was down in the sewers, and then I could hardly get back up. So it was like I was just so close to blowing it that I just blew the account, right? So let's take a look. Today is the 21st. You'll see all of the trades I took here. The first trade was, this is looking like at 6 a.m. So let's check this out. So the first trade at 6:26 a.m. Let's actually put a marker here and 6. Let's go to 6:15. And I enter to the sell side here at 14,787.4. And then I actually got stopped out on this trade at 7 on the 7/3 candle. That was this bullish candle where price kind of broke above that level at 14,796 actually, 796.4 for a total loss of 18. The next trade, let's move on to the next trade. So basically I thought the market would have pushed down from here. The market didn't. It started to break to the upside, cleared me out at the stop loss before pushing down for a little and then starting the trend up. Next trade, I entered another sell side trade. I was more sell side bias because the market had been in a downtrend from last week. So I entered this one on the 8:45 candle. Let's find that down here, 8:45. And then I entered at 14,777.2. And this was to the sell side again because I thought it was going to continue down. And I'm guessing that I got took out on this candle, correct, on the 9:30 at 14,800.5. 0.5. So it looked like the market was going to start pushing down, but then the market reversed on open, cleared me out for a total loss of 23.30. The next trade I entered to the sell side again on 9:30. So I was expecting that this was just a liquidity grab and then the market was going to start pushing lower. I was wrong on that trade, and I definitely faced the repercussions of my wrong decisions. So I entered here on the 9:30 candle, but stopped out on the 9:45 at 14,833 flat, 833 for a total loss of 1260. So you can see here 1260, and this is just, I think it's just me not having the strategy down, because if I had a strategy down, this, I don't think these trades would have knocked me out like that. Next trade was a sell side trade again. Entered this one on the 9:30, and that was at 14,830, 830.4. Then I got stopped out on the 9:45 at 14,840.9 for a total loss of 525. I think this one I could see the market reversing against me, and I just exited the trade. I might be wrong, however. So this one, the next trade I entered on the 10 o'clock now to the buy side. So this is when I changed direction and the market actually decided to push down. And this is what, this was the final trade that took me out, cleared me out of this account. So I took a buy side trade here, thinking the market would have rejected on this level and continued. It actually came down and just knocked me out on the same 10 o'clock candle within a few seconds, within 6 seconds. That was painful. I'm not gonna lie. That was definitely painful. So on the 10 o'clock, I got hit out at 14,862.1 for a total loss of 680, right? And that's it for this account. You can see the fibers. That's what I was using. It got terminated. So we're going to actually take a look at the other account that I'm trying. And this is with the funded trader. So with the funded trader, I had 2 trades today, 2 losses already. One was a loss of negative 12 and the other was a loss of negative 1.77, right? So let's actually take a look at these trades. Let's bring this down. Let's get this on top. Awesome. So starting tomorrow, you'll see my trades on the funded trader. So this one, this is saying I opened it at 20.59, but I entered at 14.889. So where would that have been? 14.889. So that was more like up here. And let's kind of match it. So let's actually match it now. 14.889. Put a sticky note. It's loading it. Okay. So for this trade, I'm trying to get the time accurate. It's looking like on the funded trader at 20.59, right? Look like that matches up with what time is this? With 1:45, I think. Yeah, definitely 1:45. Okay, 1:59 p.m. p.m. So this is what difference now. So one would be 13. So it's a 7 difference, right? So you minus 7 from this, and that should give you the accurate number here. So I'm going to minus 7 from this, and that should give us. So I should have gotten stopped out on the next candle over. Let's check that. So there's this one, and then there's the next candle over. So this one, it's saying I entered at 14,889.09. And then I got stopped out at 14,901.49. Accident. Let's go back here. Or let's actually bring it back. Nah, that didn't do what I needed it to do. So this one I entered at 14,889.1. And then this one I got stopped out at 14,901.49. That's where I got stopped out in the zone for a loss of 12.4. And then I entered to the buy side again before it hit. Let's see, I entered to the buy side on the 1 o'clock here, or the 2 o'clock actually. So minus in 7 from it. 7 minus that is 20 minus 6, which is 14.08, which is 2. I entered on the 2 o'clock here at 14,889.99. Then I got to the buy side actually, but I got stopped, or I manually closed this trade as it started to come back down, and this was at 215. Could have actually held this trade a little longer, but it wasn't a high quality setup, so I closed it as the market looked like it was about to reverse at 14,898.22 for a total loss of $1.77. Right, so I entered here to the upside and I closed it as the market looked like it was about to reverse. Could have held it for some more profits, but it all goes back to the strategy. It just doesn't seem to be giving me a clear and direct entry, and I'm hoping that very soon, and it's a must, I'm hoping that soon I'm gonna find a strategy that just works, because I'm not saying this is getting tiring, but I want the strategy to be working. I want to find a working strategy, and this Christmas is gonna be a lot of studying. I'm gonna get my real estate license, get my sheet metal license, and then I probably get a tinting license as well from 3M. So just gonna be putting in some work, and then I'm gonna actually add to that to become profitable this Christmas. So by next year, I'll be gravy with a real estate license, profitable in trading, sheet metal license, and also I'll be able to tint, and then I'm gonna also be much fitter, much stronger, much healthier, because I'm gonna be employing a diet strategy, right? But I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy this. I blew my account, that's basically it, and I have a new account here. I have money coming in, but I just don't have this trading strategy down, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.